Look what's here, guys. Turbo is here. Time to open it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So before I get into the title of this video, I wanted to ask you guys a few questions. I got new wheels coming for the Cummins right now, and I need tires, okay? I want to get new tires because I need them, because these wheels I'm getting are a different size than the current wheels on the truck. I've been leaning towards ridge grapplers. I'm looking for 33 1250 R20s, and I've heard nothing but good things about ridge grapplers, so I was going to ask you guys if you guys have had any experience with them, and also if you recommend anything else. I know a lot of people have been saying trail grapplers or Toyo MTs, stuff like that, or Toyo RTs, whatever. I'm really leaning towards ridge grapplers. I haven't heard anything bad about them, so I wanted to get your guys' opinion. Put a comment down below what you guys think of them, and yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that, polished. So this is a Ryan's Diesel Service 68mm street turbo, 10 blade turbine, 6 blade compressor. It's got the high flow vanes also. So this thing's gonna sound amazing. If you guys are subscribers of Truckmaster, or you know of Truckmaster, he has, I think, the same exact turbo, and his is on an LBZ, of course. This sounds amazing also. So I'm kind of curious to see how they sound. They might sound a little bit different. Who knows? All I know, it's got a great whistle to it, and these guys got a great reputation for you know, their work. So they do all the machining and stuff in-house up in Wisconsin. So very, very excited about this, guys. We should start the install here shortly. And if you guys are regulars of the channel, you guys know I have a turbo giveaway going on right now. It's actually the turbo off my LOY Duramax. So once that thing is off, I'm rebuilding it, putting a new KC Turbo 10 blade in it, and one lucky winner will be receiving it. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this thing out. Alright guys, so this is it. The Ryan's Diesel Service 68mm turbo. As I said, this is the high flow vane version, and 6 blade compressor wheel. And here is the number, or here's the company, Ryan's Diesel Service. Like I said, great reviews on these things. They sound incredible. I'll show you the old wheel real quick. As you guys can see, awesome. I should be doing an install on this thing here shortly. I am really, really excited to do this. I'm gonna be doing the install myself. I like to do all my own stuff here on this channel, unless it's like transmission work. I don't know too much about transmissions. I'll be man enough to admit it. So yeah, this thing's gonna be going in hopefully probably sometime next week. I don't know exactly when. I'll keep you guys up to date, especially on my Instagram. I'll keep you guys more up to date as I can post a little bit more frequently on there. But yeah, here it is. It looks amazing. Now I'm not too sure the process of what they do with these things. I do know they have their own like in-house machine and all that stuff, so I believe they do everything in-house. Any little adjustments they have, they do. And yeah, they offer a 64mm also, and I believe they offer a 68mm race as well. You know, I don't really know the complete difference of the two, but he said this is good to make like 750 horsepower. Now of course that doesn't mean you slap it on there and you got 700 more horsepower or 700 horsepower. This one's just built to be able to handle that. Now of course you need the air flow to it, and you also need the fuel to be able to support it. I definitely don't have the fuel to support that kind of horsepower, but that is definitely on its way. Okay, I'm going to be doing head studs, injectors, all that stuff here shortly on the Duramax, and as well as the Cummins. So I want to make sure they're both ready to take a lot more horsepower and be able to take it more reliably. Yeah, I'm going to slap this thing on the truck and run it for a little bit and see how it does. And I'm not going to be too crazy on it, of course, and my truck's not a race truck by any means. I don't know if I'll go up to 700 horsepower or not, but I'll have the turbo that can support it. And I'm really excited to get this thing on there. It shouldn't be too bad of an install. I know it's going to be kind of a tight fit in some areas, but yeah, it won't be a big deal, I don't think. So what's cool is they come with all the hardware, everything you need, some new fresh stuff to install, all the gaskets, the oil drain gaskets there. It's got more gaskets here. So this thing, once you buy one, if you buy one from Ryan's Diesel Service, it comes with basically everything you need to do. It also comes with pretty good instructions. There's no pictures, but basically it says, you know, after old turbo is removed, clean your oil drain gasket off the rear engine plate and remove your old oil feed banjo. Switch all coolant lines, oil drain lines, and VGT sensor. Place turbo back on the motor. Prior to starting the motor, it's recommended to put oil inside the oil feed hole on the turbo and oil in the feed line, which that's pretty self-explanatory. You know, you don't want to start a turbo up when it's dry. You want to make sure it's got the proper oil in it so it doesn't overheat. And you know, I don't know, I shouldn't have to explain that, but but yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing here shortly. Not today, of course. I'm actually supposed to fly out today, but our flights got canceled due to the weather. The weather is unbelievable up in the north right now. We're supposed to fly into Philadelphia, and nope. No, this is not the one Street Speed has. He has a Danville. This is not a Danville. This is a Ryan's Diesel Service. They may sound similar. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparison of the two. Mine and Truck Masters versus his, and Street Speeds and Matthew A24s, and see if there's a sound difference. We can, I don't know if we'll be able to pick it up on camera because you know, Mike's probably using he uses a GoPro, and I don't use a GoPro. I use a Canon 80D DSLR with a nice mic on it, so mine might pick up a whistle more, so it might not be a good test, but I think it'd be worth a shot to see the difference. So wanted to give you guys a quick update, and I'm very excited. The turbo's here, and it's almost ready to be installed. I'm waiting on a few other pieces to get here. I'm excited to announce I'll be working with Screamin' Diesel Performance. You know, they make probably the best Y-bridge kit on the market, as well as quite a bit of other things, twin turbo kits for Duramaxes. They make basically everything. So I'm waiting on a Y-bridge kit to get here and a few other goodies from them. I'm going to be doing a full build on that, full install on that, and of course a full takedown of the current turbo on my truck and the new turbo being installed. I do all my own work. I'll be bringing you guys along the way for all of that. Also, I just bought this thing. You guys may have seen one of these before. It is called the M Spectre 360. So it's just a camera. It's got the, like, basically if you can't see it with your eyes, you can stick this down in there and it kind of shows you what's going on. You know, if you can't see a bolt, it's just very handy. I bought it because I've always wanted one, but it's also going to be very convenient for me when I'm doing the turbo takedown, you know, when I get it out of the truck, and also when I install it. I know there's some bolts in there that are very hard to get to, or at least hard to, you know, see. So that's going to be really handy. So once I start using it, I'll show you guys how it works. I wanted to also share with you guys know I'm doing decals now too, and everyone's been loving them. This is probably the most popular. It's the D with whatever model Duramax you have right here. The LBZ has been the most popular, and this one's done in red chrome, basically any size you want. This has also been popular, just the Cummins C. This one's just done in white. You can do any size on that as well. And then these are probably the most like universal, so everyone's been wanting these. This is a matte black American flag, and this is a red chrome American flag. You can't really tell because the transfer paper's on it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in any of those, I'm gonna be doing giveaways with that stuff as well. So I think that'll be really cool because I can just make it real quick and give it away. Easy to ship, that kind of stuff. So if you guys are interested in any of these, hit me up on Instagram, and if you have PayPal or Venmo or whatever, that's how I've been doing it. The website will be going up here shortly, dirtymaxmafia.com, and I'll be selling a lot of this stuff on there. A lot of the Duramax stuff will be up there. Everything else will probably be sold just through Instagram for now, or until my website goes up, okay? So go ahead and check that out. I post a lot of pictures on Instagram of this stuff, you know, people that have bought, like orders that are about to go out, stuff like that. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel and you're a Duramax or Cummins or just an automotive person in general, I highly recommend, or at least hope you consider subscribing. We have a lot of exciting things coming to this channel. A lot of performance stuff will be the main focus within the next month or so. And then of course off-roading will be coming shortly. The weather's been horrible, so once the weather starts getting even better, we'll do a lot more off-roading. We got a lot of things coming to the Maverick, which should be here this week coming up. Also, the Cummins is getting new wheels. I don't know if you guys can guess what they are. It'll be one of the first vehicles in this country to have these wheels, so I'm very excited. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. The most frequent updates will be done on Instagram, so if you aren't following me already, go do that. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it. I appreciate you guys watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Even though no action, I just wanted to show you the turbo. If you like the turbo, definitely give this video a like. Also, if you enjoy these giveaways, give this video a like, because trying to get the old likes up helps my videos out, and I do appreciate all you guys' support. It means a lot. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.